Lead databases, intent signals, credit system, technographics. It's pretty confusing, right? Does it make you feel bored or stupid? Well, it's supposed to. Platforms love to use confusing terms to make you think only they can do what they do. Or even better, for you to just leave them the fuck alone. So here's Margot Robbie in a bubble bath to explain.
There used to be only a couple of databases. The big databases license their data and sold billions of the same pool. And then those data vendors stopped refreshing the data at the pace where the lists got rotten. You've got wrong titles, dead inboxes, just full of crap. After all, there are only so many companies and so many people to sell them the data, right? And then these databases start to build their list with shittier and shittier data. And that way, they could keep their profit machine churning and churning. By the way, the term used for this is called data decay. So whenever you hear data decay, just think full of crap. Our friend Michael Burry found out that these lists are up to 60% decay, so that means they're full of shit. So now he's going to short ghost platforms, which means betting against. And he's now switching over to fresh databases like Leadsforge. We can literally just pipe in sales leaders for tech companies out of Manhattan with over 50 employees. And then he just asks for their LinkedIn URLs, their email addresses, and mobile numbers to give him a call. And all of that for dirt cheap. Got it? Now go and check out Leadsforge and get 100 free credits on the house. Cheers.